Good day, fourth graders. I hope you are doing well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this gigantic, humongous, enormous subtraction problem. And we are going to solve it step by step. Now, as we know, every time we are subtracting, we want to start from the rightmost column, the numbers all the way to the right, and subtract them one by one. So first we have 8 minus 8. Who can raise their hand and tell me what 8 minus 8 is? Thank you. It is 0. It is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 here because 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we have 3 minus 9. Be careful here. It doesn't say 9 minus 3. It says 3 minus 9. And the thing is, we cannot do 3 minus 9, so we need to borrow from this 2. We need to regroup from this 2. The 2 becomes a 1, and the 3 becomes a 13. Now we have 13 minus 9, and can somebody tell me what 13 minus 9 is? Very good. It is a 4. It is a 4. So we're going to put 4 here. Now moving on to our next column, we have 1 minus 5. Now be very careful. It does not say, class, 5 minus 1. It does not say 5 minus 1. It says 1 minus 5, which we cannot do because we cannot take away 5 from 1. So what we're going to do is regroup from this 9. It becomes an 8, and the 1 becomes an 11. Now 11 minus 5, what is that? Very good. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now let's move on to the next column. 8 minus 7. Can somebody tell me what 8 minus 7 is? Very good. It is 1. It is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. And now we have 0 minus 4. Be very careful. It does not say 4 minus 0. It says 0 take away 4. And we cannot do 0 take away 4 because 0 is too small. 0 is smaller than 4. So we cannot do 0 take away 4. So we're going to regroup from this 4. It becomes a 3. And the 0 becomes a 10. The 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 we can do. Can somebody tell me what 10 minus 4 is? Yes, it is 6. It is a 6. Now we have in the next column 3 minus 3, which is what, class? Very good. It is 0. It is 0. And now we have in the next column 3 minus 8. Now be very careful. This does not say 8 minus 3. We should not do 8 minus 3. It says 3 minus 8, which we cannot do because 3 is too small to take away 8 from it. So this 8 next to the 3 is going to become a 7. And the 3 is going to become a 13. A 13. Now 13 minus 8, can somebody tell me what 13 minus 8 is? Very good, it is a 5. It is a 5. And now we have, in the next column, we have 7 minus 0. What is 7 minus 0? Very good, it is 7. It is 7. And in the next column, we have 2 minus 9. Now be very careful, class. Once again, it does not say 9 minus 2. It says 2 minus 9. And we cannot do 2 minus 9 because 2 is too small. We can't take away 9 from 2 because 2 is too small. And we have a 0. We cannot take away from the 0 because it's already a 0. So what we need to do is take away from this 4. Let the 4 become a 3. Let this 0 become a 10. And then this 2 take away 9. We still need to make this 2 into a 12. So we're going to take away from this 10. Make it into a 9. And the 2 becomes now a 12. In class, what is 12 take away 9? Very good, it is a 3. It is a 3. And now let's move on to the next column. What is 9 take away 5? Very good, it is 4. It is a 4. How about 3 take away 7? Now be careful, class. This does not say 7 take away 3. It says 3 take away 7. And we cannot do 3 minus 7 because 3 is too small to take away 7 from. So we're going to take this 3, turn it into a 2, and the 3 becomes a 13. Becomes a 13. Now we can do 13 take away 7. Class, what is 13 take away 7? Very good. It is a 6. It is a 6. Next column, we have 2 take away 4. Now be very careful, class. This does not say 4 minus 2. This says 2 minus 4. And we cannot do 2 minus 4 because 2 is too small. So we're going to take away from the 2, turn it into a 1. And this 2 becomes a 12. Now 12 take away 4, class. What is 12 take away 4 going to be? Very good. It's going to be 8. It's going to be 8. Next column, we have 1 take away 3. Now be very careful, class. This does not say 3 take away 1. This does not say 3 minus 1. This says 1 minus 3. And we can't do 1 minus 3 because 1 is too small. So we're going to borrow from this 8. It's going to turn into a 7. And the 1 is going to turn into an 11. 11 take away 3, class, is going to be what? Very good. It's going to be an 8. It's going to be an 8. And now in the next column, we have 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2 going to be, class? Very good. It's going to be a 5. How about 0 minus 0? What is that going to be? Very good. It's going to be a 0. And how about 4 minus 9? Now be very careful, class. This does not say 9 take away 4. This says 4 take away 9. And 4 minus 9 we can't do because 4 is too small to take away 9 from. So we're going to turn the 3, into a 2, and the 4 becomes a 14. Now 14 take away 9, what is that going to be, class? Very good, it's going to be a 5. Now we're moving on to the next column. 2 minus 7. Now be very careful, class. We cannot do 7 minus 2. This does not say 7 minus 2. It says 2 minus 7. We have to read from top to bottom. Start from the top and go to the bottom. 2 minus 7 we can't do because 2 is too small to take away 7 from. So we're going to regroup from this 2. It becomes a 1. And this 12, this 2 becomes a 12. What is 12 minus 7, class? Very good. 12 minus 7 is going to be a 5. Now let's move on to the next column. We have 1 minus 4. Now be very careful, class. This does not say 4 minus 1. This says 1 minus 4. And 1 minus 4 we cannot do because 1 is too small. We can't take away 4 from 1 because 1 is too small. So we're going to regroup from this 1. Turn it into a 0, and this 1 becomes an 11. Now 11 minus 4 is what, class? Very good, it is 7. It is 7. Now let's move on to the next column. We have 0 minus 2. Now be very careful, class. This does not say 2 minus 0. You should not be putting a 2 down here in your answer space because this does not say 2 minus 0. This says 0 take away 2. And we cannot do 0 take away 2 because 0 is too small. So what we need to do is regroup from this 4, turn it into a 3, and the 0 becomes a 10. Now 10 take away 2 is what, class? Very good, it is 8. It is 8. And now we're moving on to the next column. 3 take away 2 is what, class? It is a 1, correct? It is 1. Let's go ahead and add our commas. And this is our final answer. Please go ahead and jot down this example.